Small bathroom tiles, new trends, 2025. Small bathrooms are getting big style upgrades in 2025, and it all starts with the tiles. This year, it's not just about covering the walls, it's about making a statement. Leading the trend? Micro mosaics. These tiny tiles are back with a modern twist. Think less Roman bathhouse, more futuristic spa. Designers are using them to create pixel-like patterns that add depth and texture. Especially popular are tonal mosaics, shades of the same color for a subtle, layered effect. Small bathroom. Next up, oversized patterns in small spaces. Yes, that means bold geometric shapes and even mural-like tile layouts on bathroom walls. They create the illusion of a larger space and bring serious design drama. Color-wise, soft earth tones are dominating. Small bathroom. Terracotta, sand, olive, and warm clay shades are warming up sterile bathrooms. But that's just one side of the palette. Opposites are hot too. We're seeing deep navy, matte black, and rich emerald for those craving a moody vibe. Another standout trend is Zeliga tiles. These handcrafted Moroccan tiles are perfectly imperfect, with irregular edges and a glossy finish. They reflect light beautifully, making cramped spaces feel more open and alive. Layout is getting a revamp too. Forget horizontal subway tiles. 2025 is the year of the vertical stack. Vertical layouts draw the eye upward, giving the illusion of taller ceilings. Herringbone is still around, but now being laid in diagonal formations for a dynamic twist. Also trending, texture over gloss. Matte and tactile finishes like stone look or linen textured tiles are giving bathrooms a more natural, grounded feel. People are also mixing finishes. Think glossy wall tiles with matte floors for contrast. 3D tiles are making waves, literally. Wavy surfaces and sculptural designs are turning flat walls into feature pieces. If you want that spa-like serenity, consider soft green or beige 3D tiles in a wave pattern. Small bathroom. Grout is getting glamorous too. Metallic and colored grouts are being used to highlight tile shapes instead of hiding them. Gold grout with emerald tiles? Absolutely on trend. Tech meets tile with embedded LED tile strips. Perfect for ambient lighting under mirrors or shower niches. Sustainability matters more than ever. Recycled glass tiles and eco-friendly ceramics are gaining traction with green-minded homeowners. Large format tiles are shrinking grout lines and making cleaning way easier. Plus, fewer lines means fewer visual breaks, perfect for making small bathrooms look bigger. Mixing materials is also on the rise. Stone, glass, and ceramic in one layout? It's all about curated contrast. Tile up to the ceiling in the shower zone. It's bold, modern, and practical. And don't forget the floor. Patterned tiles with encaustic-inspired prints are turning floors into art. Retro styles like checkerboard are coming back, but with updated colors like sage and blush. Also popular, tile rugs, using contrasting patterns in the center of the floor for a faux rug look. Another surprise trend? Wall-to-wall tile in powder rooms, even on the ceiling. It's immersive, dramatic, and definitely memorable. And if you want timeless with a twist, go for marble-look tiles in new colorways like soft green or rust. Lastly, personalization is key in 2025. More homeowners are using custom-printed tiles to add initials, motifs, or even art. Small bathrooms are no longer design afterthoughts. They're becoming showcases. So if you're renovating or just dreaming, 2025 is the perfect time to go bold, smart, and stylish with tile.